Hey, welcome back. Van here. You know we're in the series of state-inspired beef jerky recipes made from scratch. Well, today we're in New Haven, Connecticut, where they make pizza. It's the traditional pizza. We're going to turn that into a beef jerky recipe right here today, and I hope it turns out good. Who knows? Let's get started. We're making this right now from scratch. Let's see how it turns out. I remember back in the day when my mom made French bread pizza. So these are some basic ingredients that she used back then, and I'm going to incorporate this into a beef jerky recipe. Hopefully it turns out good. First thing we've got over here is 2 pounds of lean beef. It's stir-fry meat from Walmart. I've never used these ingredients like tomato sauce. I've never used that in a beef jerky recipe before, so this is a new one on me. I'm going to try it. I believe it's going to give a really good pizza taste. We're going to put 1 cup of tomato sauce in there. Next, to be able to go back to our traditional ingredients, we're going to add 1/4 cup of what's this here sauce. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of honey. We're just going to eyeball this. That's probably 1/4 cup. Next is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I just use regular olive oil. It's not extra virgin. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, which is another common ingredient of jerky. We're still on the basics here. 1 tablespoon of garlic, granulated garlic. 1 tablespoon of granulated onion. Now on to the, I hope it works. So this is 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1 tablespoon of dry basil. I ran out of containers, so we're just going to wing this here. I believe with all this spice in here, I got to think about this recipe and put together what mom had. I remember about, making pizza. I like hot stuff, so I'm going to add a little heaping mound of ground cayenne pepper. Since we don't have the soy sauce and I like having a salty flavored beef jerky, I'm going to add this is a teaspoon here, so yeah, let's go with, that's probably about 1/2 teaspoon, right? We'll go with that. See how that turns out, and we're going to give it a go. We're going to mix it up and taste it. All right, let's taste it and see what we got. We should be tasting like pizza. I think it tastes like a pizza. It's got the Worcestershire. I can taste the basil and the oregano and the tomato, like tomato soup kind of tomato. Let's go with this just the way it is. Let's add all of our marinade to our vacuum marinade tumbler, because this is so thick, it's going to be so coated. It smells really good, guys and gals. That's all the meat right there, and that's all the marinade that's left in that. 2 hours, we'll come out and check it. This should be done in 3, but I don't know. This is some really thick sauce. I can't wait to try this. This is a unique one right here now. There you have it, Connecticut-style APIZZA beef jerky recipe. Pizza flavored, old school. Let's give this thing a try. It smells awesome. Smells like pizza. It's chewy and it's tender. Wow, man. Just look at that. I'm getting all the pizza flavors. I'm wondering if that cayenne's gonna come through though. Not really getting the cayenne, not really getting the spiciness, but for pizza, it tastes like pizza. And it's beef jerky. How can you go wrong with that? If you like this video, you're gonna like this video. Check that out. This is Connecticut state inspired beef jerky recipe. Small batch beef jerky, 1 batch at a time. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back. Yeah! Bing!